Okay, let's talk about this ultrasonic cleaner. Big tank, digital timer, heater, but what all does that actually mean? Let's break it down. The cleaning works by generating sound waves, tiny cavitation bubbles in water which implode and dislodge grit, rust, and such, even in hard to reach places. In this model, the heater warms the water up to about 80 degrees Celsius, which helps loosen grime faster. Add the timer so you don't overdo it or forget that you started it. The stainless steel tank and baskets means it won't corrode easily, and the built-in drain valve makes cleaning up after easy. No tipping the whole thing over or awkwardly scooping. Capacity is plenty for multiple items at once. Tools, jewelry, watch parts, we use it for pew-pews. What stands out for me is the power is legit, which means stronger cleaning without needing super long cycles. The digital interface is solid, you don't have to guess. The heater plus timer is consistent. If you're doing a ton of cleaning or want one machine that handles everything from delicate jewelry to rusted tools, this one is more versatile ones out there.